R12 Series impact wrenches are engineered to work as hard as you do. Rated for a 12-hour workday, the R12 Series delivers on that promise. With industry-leading torques, the R12 Series has all the power you need. The twin hammer delivers more powerful blows without diminishing durability. Composite housings reduce operator fatigue. The R12 Series features one-handed directional switch and an ergonomic grip for a higher level of safety and usability. Backed by a lifetime warranty, you can trust Jet Air Tools to tackle any challenge. Jet Air Tools. Engineered for overtime.